working down in Jewtown all night and day, sleeping tired, and you can come home into your life. You old a cat, be fooled by a kid. You lied to me, know you lied. I'm too old a cat to be fooled by a kid. Tell me you ain't running round, and I know you're lying. I come home last night, you wasn't even nowhere to be found. Down in Jewtown, chasing guys, pulling a trick on me, and I knows everybody. I'm too old a cat to be fooled by a kid. Be fooled by a kid. Go back home and get yourself another star. Telling me a lie, and you know you lie. I got a photograph of you on the ground, making love to him, and you know you lie. Old a cat, be fooled by a kid. I got experience from down in Jewtown. I see you walking by when you think you're in a crowd. I'm too old a cat to be fooled by a kid. Better go back and get yourself a star. Got the lies you're telling me is done run out. Standing on 12th Street, 12th Street, and I've been down here a long time. I know all the crooks and all the lying women. I'm too old a cat to be fooled by a kid. Better go home and practice your life. I'm a Jewtown man, and I knows everything. I hear people talking all over town that I can't see. Someone tell me. That's why I'm too old a cat to be fooled by a kid. I'm too old a cat to be fooled by a kid. Can come down and pity on me. I'm tired and hungry, you don't fool me. I'm too old a cat to be fooled by a kid. Better grow up and get yourself a life.